This is a quick walkthrough on how to get VirtualBox installed. Navigate to the website. It's virtualbox.org. And from the home page, click on the Downloads link on the left-hand side. Here's a list of all the hosts that are available. One for Windows, one for OS X, one for Linux, and one for Solaris. For this walkthrough, we'll use the OS X version. Click that link, which will download the archive. Once the download completes, navigate to the folder where the .dmg was saved to, and double-click on that. This will unpack the archive and show you the .pkg, which is the actual installer. Double-click that. Notice also that there's a user manual as well as an uninstall tool in the archive. The traditional click wrap, continue, specify the location where the application will be installed to, and provide your administrative credentials. Not including the download time, you can expect that the install will take anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes depending on your system speed. It's not very long. And there you go. VirtualBox is installed and ready to run.